That soup stock is getting pretty wicked, and I did an infusion for CBN the other day, and that CBN infusion came out tasting really good. Like, surprisingly good. So this soup stock is going to be great. But I'm also thinking that maybe the soup stock is going to be very, very potent and very oily, because the infusion remains that I kept turned out, we did the math. You can check out the other streams if you want to see how that was done. But it turns out that there's a 2 full cups worth of can oil in those remains. And that is an awful lot of remains to be left behind. So I'm thinking that instead of putting it in like 1 or 2 dishes where it's just like lots of weed in 1 or 2 dishes, like soups, I can just, turn it into my soup stock and then condense it down, boil off all the excess water and turn it into an actual bouillon. And then I can freeze that bouillon into little scoops, or if it turns out to be a liquid bouillon, I'll be able to put it into little pucks, just like the powdered bouillons that you get in the store. But there's absolutely no reason to let that much can oil go to waste.